one of the things that really distinguishes the company from any other, competitors is really our investment in the expertise that we develop within our own staff. We've taken a lot of time to cross-train our staff to be able to work from an engineering standpoint, a manufacturing understanding, but also the quality aspect of it. So as a team, we try to bring in all the departments in to work together so we can share ideas, provide feedback to the customer, and all with the overall intent so that we can make improvements. With that in mind as well, we've made an investment, a large, substantial investment of always upgrading our equipment to have the latest technology driven towards making us more streamlined, more efficient, and overall just a much better quality driven, company. So the technology always drives the success behind our company. We're always looking at different processes that are going to make the processes overall better and faster and more efficient.